In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Smartsheet form. Whether you're seeking an efficient way to gather data or streamline your processes, creating a form in Smartsheet can be an invaluable tool. It's a straightforward process once you understand the layout and features available. So let's walk through this step by step. To start, navigate to your Smartsheet dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage various sheets and organize your data collection efforts. Once you're there, identify and click on the specific sheet where you'd like to collect form responses. This particular sheet will serve as the repository for all the information gathered through your form. Once you have your sheet selected, locate the Forms tab at the top of the page and click on it. This action will bring you to the area where you can manage existing forms or create new ones. Look for the option labeled Create Form and select it. Clicking this option will guide you into the Form Builder, where the fun truly begins. In the Form Builder, you're given the freedom to design your form layout. Use the drag and drop functionality to arrange columns in the order that you prefer. You can customize the sequence to ensure that it makes logical sense for your purposes. As you are setting up your form, pay attention to the field titles. You may want to edit these titles to be more user-friendly. Remember, you can alter the labels without changing the original column names in your sheet, providing you with flexibility to better meet the needs of your audience. The Form Builder also grants you access to a range of options to enhance the user experience. You can toggle settings like required fields, ensuring users provide responses to crucial questions, and add help text to guide them through the form completion process. As you approach the final touches, click on Settings at the top of the page. Here, you're able to set up a custom confirmation message that users will see after submitting the form. Alternatively, you can specify a redirect URL where users will be sent post-submission, adding another layer to your workflow. You might also want to personalize the form's appearance, maybe change the theme or style to match your brand, or simply to make it more visually appealing. A cohesive and attractive form can enhance user interaction and completion rates. Before wrapping up, click Open Board to preview how your form will look to respondents. It's always a good idea to review it from the user's perspective, spotting any potential issues before going live. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Save to ensure all your hard work is stored. Finally, distribute your form by selecting Share Form. From here, you can send it via email, copy the link, or embed it on your website, making it accessible to your intended audience. And there you have it. With these steps, you've efficiently crafted a Smartsheet form ready to collect valuable data. Remember, the key is to keep the user experience seamless and intuitive. Happy form building,